Today we have a 2012 Toyota RAV4 in the shop because yesterday all speakers worked in the car. Today only the tweeters and the front door panels work, which lead us to believe there are 4 bad speakers in the car. Why it happened overnight, we have no idea. We're going to show you how to remove one of the rear door panels here. We're going to start with our pry bar and move to the small panel inside the door handle. This is going to give access to a screw we're going to remove. Next, we're going to pry the middle to front of the control panel up. This front edge will lift up and pull forward. There is a little hook on the back that goes into the back of the panel here, so the front has to pull up to pull forward to release. The connector here has a trigger on it that you squeeze down to release and remove it. We're going to set this panel to the side. This is going to allow us to move to the handhold here, pry at the bottom, work our way up and remove that panel. This is going to give access again to several more Phillips screws. One in the door handle cavity where we already removed the panel, and 2 in the handhold area, one at the top. These are all Phillips screws. We have a full library of removal guides on our website. See our website for any other removal needs you may have, or do-it-yourself repairs which we're posting as well. With both these screws removed, this is going to help release the door panel so we can remove it and get access to the speaker. Okay, we're having a little problems with the lower screw coming out. The magnet doesn't seem to be strong enough, so it looks like we're going to get that when we get the panel off here. Next, we're going to start down at the front edge of the panel and gently pull the panel from the door, releasing clips all the way around the door. The panel will lift up, and this will give access to the door handle linkage. This releases once the door handle comes off and is going to give us access to the speaker here. Now, we brought out another speaker because this original speaker here is riveted into the door by 3 rivets, one on there, one here, and one towards the bottom. Could we turn the stereo on, please? What we're going to do is hook up an external speaker and go right into the connector. We have red and white wires here on the back door, and we're just going to pop this connector up, release the trigger on the side, and that'll remove, and we're going to hook directly to this to see if we get sound from our external speaker here.
A part of the program.
There you go. We have audio here now, so that means that our speakers are bad. Hope this video has been helpful. You can use this troubleshooting technique in most cars. See our website for other videos. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.